I've never eaten so much fast food in all my life as these last couple of days. It's disgusting. My body's really feeling it. We've made everything's got sorted now, so we've got train tickets tomorrow morning first thing, and then we've got a long journey down from about 5 to 8, and we get into where my ma lives at 3:30, and then for the next foreseeable time we're looking after my mum as she recovers from her injuries, and yeah, we just got to go from there and see what happens when we get down to Cornwall. That's the next stage of our little lives. Quite looking forward to the train journey actually. I love train journeys. Just get to read and not do anything because you can't do anything else. So we've got a couple of good books to read with us. New Harry Potter book, the Witch's Bible, and a book called The Way of the Arwen by a friend of mine called Kivan Manwaring. So we're going to be spirity and spiritual and magic-y and all those things. So we're going to bed down now, and I'll probably vlog again in the morning. So it's just gone 7 in the morning. We're awake. We camped overnight at the cafe. This is the last time I'm going to see it. So we're just going to go and get the train in about... Well, the train's not till 5 to 9. But we're going to make our way down there because we've got a lot of suitcases and stuff, and we just want to be ready at the platform to jump on. Plus we'll be in rush hour, so yeah, we're just trying to get a place and hopefully get a seat on the way to Birmingham, because otherwise it will really suck getting any further along our journey without a seat. Although I don't mind sitting on the floor really. We'll see how it goes. Train. We got all our stuff just about on the train. We had to get a taxi from the cafe to the train station at the end because it was so busy and so heavy. And as you can see, we're just cruising through the countryside at the moment on our way to our first stop, Birmingham. So we've been a little bit separated, but we made our connection at Birmingham, and we're now on our way to Plymouth. It was a bit of a rush, but the trains are really weirdly designed. They've got these kind of strange wiggly corridors. Instead of anywhere actually to sort of put your luggage and stuff, they've got these kind of stowage areas at the end of each carriage. But because we've got a buggy, which is huge, you can't really store it anywhere. So we're just waiting till we get to next station, and there's a bigger stowage area further down the train that way, and I'm going to jump off and reload it onto there. See McDonald's? See? This is train food. You have a whole restaurant and you just name something festive. This is for festive ingredients. There, pork and sage and onion stuffing, sausages, cranberry sauce. Sounds pretty festive, doesn't it? Spicy chicken with mozzarella, not so festive. So it's got that boring on our train journey already. That we're doing a crossword.
No, it's not.
But the countryside is really beautiful around here. And it's only going to get nicer and nicer as we go further and further down towards the coast. The child is wide awake, being a lunatic, and we are, we're enjoying our journey so far really, not too bad at all. We are on our final stage of the journey now, so we've done our changeover at Plymouth, and now we are on the way to Hale, which is where my ma lives, and a short taxi trip, and we'll be safe and home for the next little while. It'll be good to have a good feeling to have a permanent roof over our heads, as we haven't for the last 6 months or whatever. It'll just be nice. I hope my mum's go and look after my mum for a bit, because yeah, she's broke her arm, so we'll be down there until she's fixed. Yes. It's an absolute miracle. We made every single connection and every single transfer over, and we're now walking to my mum's. And there's my little brother helping us out with a big suitcase. Oh, it's a bit of a walk, but we'll make it. So we got here. We finally arrived. I'm in our new little room. Mum's cottage is the cutest thing ever. I'll do a little tour of the cottage later on, probably later in the week. We've kind of got a tiny little box room, but it's so sweet and so cute. It's going to be lovely in here for us to live in for a month or so. We've unpacked, got the essentials set up, got the Xbox, got the hard drive, and we're living out of suitcases, and that's me in the reflection. Ooh. But yeah, looking forward to having a chill tomorrow. No more travelling. Might potter into the town and do some banking, and that's all we've got planned really. It's going to be a really, really relaxed time, and I'm going to have my first Cornish pasty of being in Cornwall, so what could be better? We've had some food and now it's time to relax. We're sat up in the little bedroom, me and my girl, and my 2 dogs, and we're going to watch a DVD, I think. Oh yeah? You want to watch a DVD? Yeah, we're going to watch DVDs. Yeah? So last little bit of recording for today. You have no idea how relieved I am. My hair's shit, my beard's shit, but we can sort all those things out tomorrow.